So, what's on the menu today, Chef Ivana?
Ooh, the national dish of Malaysia.
Wow.
Can you guess?
Nasi Lemak.
Nasi Lemak.
Wow.
Yeah, they have it everywhere. So they're on every street food, and every local eaters have this dish. And in fact, they're so proud of it. Even McDonald's have it.
Wow. So we'll have Ivana's attempt at Nasi Lemak. First time?
First time, of course.
Wow.
We'll
Good work.
see.
Okay, so we've got all the ingredients here.
Rice, santan, which is coconut milk, pandan leaves, lemongrass, cucumber, chicken, eggs, peanuts, anchovies, some lettuce, and some sambal.
So it's Nasi Lemak and fried chicken.
Yes.
And for me, I'll have the anchovy-free version.
Ooh, you don't like anchovies, do you?
I can't even stand the smell.
It's a staple.
It's a staple of Nasi Lemak, but it's really a testament to how different people's taste buds can be.
That's
I can't even stand the smell of anchovies. It's like, oh my gosh. In a restaurant, it's not as bad. It's like, it doesn't smell as bad.
It's just salty and crispy.
Oh, it smells like rotten fish. Anyway, no anchovies for me. I'll put the peanuts instead. Let's start cooking.
Okay, so first thing I'm gonna make is the rice itself. So I've washed the rice and put it in. I'm gonna add some coconut cream. It's thicker than I thought. Look at that. So I think I'm gonna add some water though.
Whew, looks like oatmeal.
Yeah. And pandan leaf, two leaves, and you're supposed to knot it like this.
Really? Why knotting it? You know why?
I think it's because they release their flavor more.
Oh, when you break it.
Yeah.
Oh.
And one stalk of lemongrass, pandan leaf, coconut milk, some water, rice, and a pinch of salt. Okay, so ready. In the meantime, I'll boil the egg.
Whoa. Foaming masterpiece, making a mess of the stove. Is this right?
I'm not
Is
sure.
this part of your plan, Chef Ivana?
Oh, smells so good though.
Oh, it smells really good.
Mmm,
Coconut
smells amazing.
rice. Mmm. Oh, the bottom sounds like it's burning. Sounds dry at the bottom.
Yeah,
I think the coconut milk was really thick, no?
yeah.
Did you use the right kind of coconut milk, or we don't really know? Because yours was coconut cream.
Is it different than milk?
Well, cream is different than milk. Dun dun dun. Maybe too thick. That's okay. If you add water, I think cream turns into milk with water. I mean, it still smells really good.
Should I add more water?
Whew, it smells good. It looks super thick, though.
Maybe I should add more water.
Dun dun dun. Add some more water, Ivana.
A little bit. It might turn into a congee or a...
Oh, it might turn into rice porridge. I like rice porridge, no problem. It's real thick, isn't it?
Fine, that's cooking.
I mean, it's so thick that the water you poured in won't even get to the bottom. It sits on the top.
Yeah.
The rice is like waterproof. Oh, jeez. What's your, Ivana, what's your confidence level right now?
I'm a little bit worried.
A little bit worried. Would you say 50% confident? Maybe 75%.
Maybe 60.
60%. I'll take it.
Ooh, I forgot about my peanuts.
Whoa. Exploding peanuts, man. So far, the rice is
It's like popcorn.
dry and burnt. The peanuts are turning into popcorn. I tell you what, the eggs went well. So we're doing something right.
You think it's ready?
I definitely have no idea. Okay, looks right. Okay, no, this is going good, man. I'm not going 60% confidence. I'm going 90% confidence, Ivana.
Try it.
Try it, here.
It's good now.
Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Oh, it's really good. Yeah, Ivana, you did it properly. This is good. If that doesn't make you hungry, nothing will. Look at the frying chicken with marinade on it. Oh, yeah. That smells good. That looks good. The curry leaves really add to it. Curry leaves, chili, and chicken. Well, I'll tell you what, Ivana. I'm confident.
You
The
are?
rice might be a little bit like bubur, but I'm confident. does it ever look good? That orange color. Let's try one. Quality control. Oh, hot. Hot, 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 hot. Woo! Woo! Wow, it's amazing.
That's it.
The chicken is 5-star amazing. Eat some.
Might make this again.
Yeah. Good chicken.
Frying some anchovies. Smell it.
No. Time for the worst ingredient in the best meal. Gross, man.
Smells good.
Ivana's cooking dinner again.
Anchovies. Doesn't smell that bad.
If you need me, I'll be by the window. Oh. It doesn't even smell like food. It smells like chemical or something. It smells like some kind of like paint remover. Some kind of anchovy oil. You could probably use it to like get rust off a boat or something. It smells disgusting, man. Tell you what, Ivana, this looks really good. Look at this. And look at the plating over there. Look how beautiful it looks. Woo. I've always joked around with Ivana that she needs to open a restaurant. Really, really does, Ivana. In Canada, we could do Malaysian food, Indonesian food, Vietnamese, every country we've been to. Polish food, Argentina food. Every country we've been to, we could have a international restaurant.
That's true.
With Chef Ivana. Would you do it?
Except that this rice is not turning out so good.
Ivana, it's your first try, and I'm sure it's good. That's a restaurant. How could that be someone's first time making Nasi Lemak? That's a restaurant. Look at this. And here's your version with anchovies. That's a restaurant. Wow, Ivana, take a moment to have the accolades. Wow, what a chef. Look at her. Look at this smile. Aren't I a lucky guy? Wow. Okay, I'm hungry. Let's try it. The time to talk has ended. The time to eat is now. Okay, let's put some sambal in here. Hoping this sambal is not. Wow. This is restaurant quality.
Really?
Wow, Ivana, yes. This is awesome.
Really?
This is exactly what I would have at a restaurant. What would you charge for this? 10 ringgits. Is it 10 bucks? Is it 10 ringgits? I don't know.
I don't know. How long did it take me to cook with it?
That's the thing. It took a long time. It wasn't very organized. We were unorganized. What?
Yeah. 30
Ivana.
minutes? Or an hour? Maybe an hour.
With some fried chicken.
Ooh.
I can't tell you how good this is.
With the eggs, hard-boiled eggs. So in every Nasi Lemak, usually they'll wrap it in banana leaves, but we couldn't find any banana leaves at the store, so this is how it is.
Yeah.
Home cooked.
Usually it's in banana leaves. There's a reason Nasi Lemak is so popular. It's just so delicious and simple to make. I mean, we had a hard time, but rice and coconut milk, simple recipe. 2 ingredients, and it's really nice. And then with the sambal, come on.
Yeah.
Come on. This is perfect. This is a 5-star meal. The sambal is even good. Did you make the sambal? No, you bought it.
No, I bought it.
It's good.
Try it with this, just one.
No. Should I? Ivana, I'm gonna barf.
Come on.
Oh my God.
Mix it with chilies though and rice, so it's not.
Doesn't smell that bad. Oh,
So it's not
okay.
overpowering.
Okay. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be
Chili.
chili. Yeah, chili and rice. Oh my goodness, I don't want to do this.
Steve hates anchovies or any seafood, really.
I wouldn't say I hate seafood. I would say dana, 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 dana. Okay, here goes something. Oh, it's crunchy.
Salty and crunchy.
I don't like it. Oh, it's gross. Oh, it's so bad. Oh my God. Oh, it's all in my teeth and everything. Ugh, what is it? Okay, cucumber. It's in my teeth, you want. Well, what a ruin a good meal. Oh. It's on my nose. Oh. It's funny that it's salty and crunchy because I actually love salty and crunchy chips, pretzels, French fries. You know what I mean? But when it's just super strong fish flavor, it's like, Ugh.
Could open a restaurant, huh?
You could open a restaurant for sure, Ivana. This is good food.
Would you dare eating this chili?
Yes, I'll eat that.
Eat it.
Another one. Is it spicy?
I don't know. Try it.
Oh, it's spicy, all right. Woo! It's good though. Ivana, this is 5-star food. This is amazing. I'm telling you right now, this is the best Nasi Lemak I've ever had. You Malaysians need to learn from this Indonesian how to make your own national dish. I'm joking. But this is good food, Ivana. Wow. When the rice was boiling with the coconut cream, I was like, uh-oh. When it was all getting thick and wasn't working, I was like, uh-oh. Dude, I should never have lost faith in you, Ivana. This is good food.
Just kidding. We don't have Nasi Lemak in Indonesia.
No.
We do have a rice that is cooked in coconut milk also. But it's called nasi... Oh my god, I forgot what it's called.
Some Indonesian.
Nasi uduk.
Nasi uduk. Dude, the peanuts are perfect. The eggs, whoever peeled and sliced the eggs, that guy deserves credit, because that's a good job he did. Eggs are perfect. The rice is actually really good. It's a little bit mushy. Each grain of rice is kind of turning into mush and attaching to the grain beside it. The rice is 8 out of 10. Everything else, 10 out of 10. Wow. You can put peanuts and rice and sambal in one bite. It's like crunchy coconut rice, spicy. It's so good. Right?
Yeah, filming and cooking too. It's kind of hard. I'm not used to it.
Really? What do you find hard about it?
Just being on camera while cooking, multitasking. You know, cooking the rice, checking the rice, frying the chicken, cutting the cucumbers. All
Lots to do.
multitasking.
Good working
I'm great
out.
at multitasking.
The best. This is good food, man. You know what I can go for right now? Teh O ice kosong, which we have. Wow, guys, this is 5-star eating. Cheers, eh? Ding! Peanuts with rice with sambal, amazing. Or you know what you can do too? A lot of locals will take the cucumber and eat it with the rice on top of this. It's all that Malaysian technique. Wow, Ivana, I would never guess this is your first time making Nasi Lemak. This is amazing.
I'm glad you like it.
It really is a simple recipe and just beautiful. The rice and coconut milk, so good. I'm gonna eat everything on this plate. I'm gonna eat the lettuce too. Yep. Yep.
This or McDonald's Nasi Lemak?
This or McDonald's, Mac, please. Please.
Or 222?
This is better.
Really?
222 is great Nasi Lemak, but it's like cheaper and on the go. It's a little small portion. This, with the plate, with everything, with the experience, with the Teh O ice kosong, this is the best Nasi Lemak experience I ever had in my life. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Nasi Lemak, the national dish of Malaysia. With reason. It's very good.
Okay, good.
With a fish head on it. Alright guys, thanks for watching everybody. I'm gonna finish this plate, completely clean it. But stay tuned for more cooking videos. I think we're gonna turn our channel into a travel and cooking channel because these videos are fun to make and people seem to like them. So stay tuned for more Malaysian recipes. We've got a couple more weeks of quarantine. Lots of stuff going on. Please subscribe to our channel. Our channel was just starting to grow. We were just feeling it good, and then quarantine killed everything. So please subscribe. We're gonna keep traveling for a long time. Lots of videos coming, traveling, different countries, different recipes, cooking stuff, living the dream over here. Below us, our most recent upload, and on the left, some of our other videos. Thanks everybody. Oh, my mouth is on fire from sambal.
Love you. Bye.
Love you guys. Bye bye.